in this short video, I'm going to run through what different error messages in Orchestra mean. So our whole ethos is to make data teams' lives easier. Error messages coming from 15 different places are not the most helpful things. So if we head into one of our pipelines which has failed, this message is a summary of how the pipeline has gone. It's kind of obvious. Pipeline failed. A task is in a failed state. So let's click in. This is supposed to be our helpful message, which tells you exactly why something has failed. So here we have a sync complete, task skipped, task skipped. This isn't great. We probably need to have a message that says, hey, all your models succeeded, but one particular test failed. But you're able to see a little bit more when you click in. I'd really recommend going into the lineage view because this is where the message is most accurate. So the top message is the operational message passed from the underlying platform. In this case, when we materialize this node, dbt send us, like a message, a response that just simply says success. We also have the external details, which are sort of like operation details, which we pass from the underlying platform. And if we click into the test, we can see exactly what's happened. So we have a message, which again is the result. There's a sort of verbose message from dbgcloud. And we can see this got one result, configured to fail if not equal to 0 is what we've got. And then we also have the query that's being run. So you can tell exactly what's going on.